my spouse and I agreed to no child support in our divorce? The answer is probably no. Hi, I'm board certified divorce lawyer Christopher Bruce, and let me explain how this all works. In Florida, which is the law I'm traveling under here, and a lot of other states, the way it works is this. There is a child support calculation that's part of the law. And the state of Florida and all these other states, their theory is, hey, look, if people are getting divorced, the parents should support the children before the government supports the children. And because of that, one of the roles for the family court judge is to make sure that people are paying the amount of child support for their kids that the law requires. They want to avoid situations where people get strong-armed into not taking any child support, and then the state welfare system has to pay for the kids. And look, if you're considering getting divorced and you're watching this video, you might not be somebody that needs the state welfare system to pay for your kids, but this is the philosophy that the judges travel under when dealing with this stuff. So no, you can't just agree that child support is zero. If child support is zero, a lot of these Florida judges are going to have a lot of questions to make sure that child support should be zero under the law. And there's very few situations to where child support, when taking into account each person's income and overnights with the kids and a couple of other things like insurance expenses and daycare expenses, there's very few situations where you put these inputs into this child support formula and out pops a goose egg. So the judges are going to really look at that hard and probably require some child support to be paid from one parent to the other. Sometimes there's some ways around that, but very few times does it actually work. You should be talking to a lawyer if you have a child support case, and be very wary of a spouse that's trying to convince you to minimize or eliminate any of the financial support that you're receiving from them. Odds are, if you're entitled to financial support, you need all the help you can get. So I hope this has been helpful. Please put your questions in the comment section below. Like and subscribe for more of this information. Check out the free resources available in the description. There are books that we give away for free on all aspects of the divorce process. We have webinars, free question and answer webinars, typically once a week, where you can come on and get your questions answered. And if you're getting divorced in the Southeast Florida area, I hope you would consider my law firm, the Bruce Law Firm. We help clients through the divorce process in Southeast Florida, from Vero Beach south to Miami. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.